Yo, welcome to Smallmouth Crush. It's the last day of the Bassmaster Classic, Lake Hartwell. We did our job. We handed out more hats for Mercury, beanies, noisemakers, the usual. I'm not sure what's in store today.
Play by ear.
We did. We got up good. We got up good and early today. No issues, was there?
No, not at all.
It was fairly simple. You were a little grouchy, but not too bad. Not too bad.
Once I get home, I'm all right.
Yeah, once we're up and about and moving, things are great. Let's see how this day ends. So we don't have a whole lot to do today. We just have to hand out some more thundersticks. Just relax, watch the way, and have a good time. And then
go to the expo.
I think, yeah, we're gonna go to the expo, and then we got invited to Ike Live tonight.
Ike Live's party, that's right.
That's gonna be a fun little party. The only problem is it starts at 10 o'clock.
Just one more day.
10 o'clock at night.
It takes me a whole year to recover.
It'll take me about a day, but I'll be back up and running fairly quickly.
All right, that wraps up the final launch. Now we're gonna head back, get ready for the final weigh-in coming up tonight. All right, we're back. We got done with the launch. We actually was able to get a few hours of sleep, believe it or not. Much needed sleep. Took a power nap. Now we're gonna grab something to eat. Where are we going?
Right here.
Oh, Stinky Fingers again?
Sticky fingers.
You love that place.
Best barbecue in town.
All right, well that's what we'll do. We'll go in here, get refueled. It's gonna be a crazy classic. I was kind of watching Bass Track, and it seems like some of the leaders were struggling. So who knows? It's gonna be fun. It's always fun.
It's gonna be so neat.
All right, let's see. I feel like we've been making this walk for days. Well, we got a big crowd here. We got our work cut out for us. And then we're gonna head, watch the show. So all 3 days of the event, I get to sit up here in the VIP section, all the food, drinks that you want, awesome view. We're able to watch the anglers come in on the big screen. Bassmaster Live was shot, filmed right in front of us. And of course it was so cool seeing Jordan Lee win. 2 times, second year in a row. And we get to sneak out and head to the big party tonight. I went to Ike's party last year, and so I knew that this one was going to be a blast.
Yo.
Hold on. Test. Can you hear? We should probably talk to the guest. Man, right here. Folks at home! You're part of this. Yeah. All right, ready? Folks at home! Watch! Ike Live! There you go. No, watch!
Ike Live Con Queso edition.
Queso.
That's with cheese.
From Wisconsin?
Might as well be. It's Wisconsin.
I don't know, they make that shit from Wisconsin.
I give up. All right, let's talk to the newest upcoming Australian angler here. Hey! You got anything to say to our friends in the U.S.?
Yeah. Watch Ike Live.
No, it's cool.
Where you going, bro?
We're gonna go find fighters. The young Alan Jackson.
Yeah. But we don't know. Shuffleboard.
A big move there.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, Matt, what's up? We got Trey, what's up? Oh my God, Steve and Chris, what's up?
Hello.
Who's winning?
It's a tight race here.
Okay.
It's 16-15.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hey, you don't have any Mercury thundersticks for me? Waiting for the line.
What a way to end the night. A lot of laughs, catching up with my buddies, making new friends. Epic night. Epic way to end the 2018 Bassmaster Classic in style. I mean, it got crazy. I think the next morning Matt and myself were wondering what was that all about. Anyways, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the short couple of vlogs we did when we were down at the Classic. We had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments and likes below. Until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.